Welcome, fellow developers, to another exciting coding tutorial. My name is Darina Zvedanova, an IT recruiter at IT Experts Europe. Today, we're going to delve deep into the world of object-oriented programming in PHP. We'll explore four fundamental concepts: abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how these concepts work and how to apply them in your PHP projects. So, let's dive in. Object-oriented programming is a paradigm that has reshaped the way we approach software development. It provides us with a powerful toolkit to organize, structure, and manage our code, making it more modular, reusable, and easier to maintain. But what exactly is OOP? At its core, object-oriented programming revolves around the concept of objects. An object represents a real-world entity or concept and encapsulates both data and behavior. Think of objects as building blocks that interact with each other to create complex software systems. OOP introduces four key principles to help us work with objects effectively. These principles are known as the pillars of object-oriented programming. Let's explore them one by one. Abstraction focuses on capturing the essential features and behavior of an object while hiding unnecessary implementation details. In PHP, we can achieve abstraction by using abstract classes and interfaces. Let's see an example. In this example, we define an abstract class shape that declares an abstract method, calculateArea. The rectangle class extends shape and implements the calculateArea method according to its specific behavior. By utilizing abstraction, we can define a common interface for different shapes without exposing their internal details. The next concept is inheritance. It allows us to create new classes based on existing classes, inheriting their properties and behaviors. In PHP, we use the extends keyword to establish an inheritance relationship. Let's take a look at an example. In this example, we have a vehicle class with common properties and a method to retrieve information. The car class extends vehicle and adds a specific property and an overridden method. Through inheritance, the car class inherits the properties and behaviors of the vehicle class, allowing us to reuse code and create specialized objects. Method overloading and method overriding are techniques that allow us to define multiple methods with the same name but with different parameters or behavior. Let's start with method overloading. Method overloading refers to the ability to define multiple methods with the same name but with different parameter lists. In PHP, we don't have native support for method overloading like some other languages, but we can achieve similar functionality using PHP's flexible function arguments. Method overriding? It refers to the ability to provide a different implementation for a method in a derived class, which overrides the implementation in the parent class. The third concept is polymorphism. It allows objects of different classes to be treated as objects of a common superclass. Polymorphism promotes flexibility and extensibility in our code. In PHP, we can achieve polymorphism through method overriding. In this example, we have a common animal class with a makeSound method. The dog and cat classes extend animal and override the makeSound method with their specific sounds. By treating objects of different classes as objects of the common superclass animal, we can write code that works with different animal types, invoking the appropriate behavior dynamically. Now, let's talk about access modifiers. They define the visibility and accessibility of properties and methods within a class. PHP provides three access modifiers: public, protected, and private. Public. The public access modifier allows unrestricted access to class members from anywhere, including outside the class and its subclasses. Public properties and methods can be accessed and modified directly. Protected. The protected access modifier restricts access to class members from outside the class, but allows access from within the class and its subclasses. Protected properties and methods can be accessed and modified within the class and its subclasses. Private. The private access modifier provides the highest level of restriction. Private members can only be accessed and modified within the class that defines them. They are not accessible from outside the class or its subclasses. Finally, we come to encapsulation. It allows us to hide the internal details of an object and expose a well-defined interface for interaction. In PHP, we achieve encapsulation through access modifiers, public, protected, and private. Let's see an example. In this example, the bank account class encapsulates the balance property and provides methods to deposit, withdraw, and retrieve the balance. The balance property is marked as private, making it accessible only within the class itself. The public methods act as the interface through which external code interacts with the object. Object-oriented programming is a powerful paradigm that brings structure and modularity to your PHP code. By leveraging these concepts, you can create more maintainable, reusable, and scalable applications. That concludes our deep dive into OOP and PHP. I hope you found this tutorial enlightening and that it helps you become a more proficient developer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding! At IT Experts Europe, we're here to assist you in meeting your IT staffing needs. Whether you have open IT positions that require talented professionals, or you're an IT consultant based in the European Union seeking your dream job, we've got you covered. Our dedicated team is equipped with the expertise and resources to connect top-notch IT candidates with exciting career opportunities. Partner with us, and let's make your recruitment process seamless and efficient. For IT consultants, we're committed to helping you navigate the job market and find that perfect fit. Trust IT Experts Europe to be your reliable ally in the world of IT recruitment.